In this lesson, we'll be creating a new user account. The reason we do this is because using the root user account is quite dangerous for day-to-day administration of the server. The root user has the ability to delete critical system files. When using command lines, it's easy to mistype a command and accidentally delete or edit an important file. This will cause your server to stop running correctly and potentially cost you a lot of time and resource to repair the problem. By creating a non-root user, we can avoid costly mistakes because by default, non-root users do not have the same administrative privileges as root users. Another advantage is that we can temporarily elevate non-root users' privileges by typing sudo in front of our command lines. To add a new user, type the following: add user, and then the user name of the new user. So we'll call this user Bob and press enter. Now we'll have to enter a new password for this user. We'll have to re-enter it. You'll be prompted to enter some additional information for the user. Just leave it blank and type in enter, 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 and type in Y with this prompt. And that's it. The new user has been created. Next, we need to add the new user to this sudo group so we can elevate the user's privileges when needed. Type the following to do so: add user Bob sudo, and press enter. And so that's it. We've added the new user and given the user the ability to elevate their privileges when needed. Now that we have our new user created, we no longer need to use the root account. It's always a good idea from this point forward to use the new user's account. So type in exit, and this will terminate the current session. Now we can log back in as our new user. So because I'm on Windows, I'll be using PuTTY. If you're on a Mac, you'll be using Terminal to log back in. So I'm going to load the settings for my Linode. Remember, we saved it earlier. Just highlight it and click load and press open. Okay, this time when prompted for the login, you're going to log in as Bob. Now enter Bob's password. And so now we're logged in as Bob.